Cat's in trouble.
Ugh. What? How? Ugh. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Huh? Oh no! Oh, come on! Ah! Right. Oh no! Ugh! Oh, shiver me cheddars!
Hey, that's my expression.
Oh, fine. Oh, what is happening? I'll make a sandwich. No! Oh no!
Oops, sandwich law in action.
All right then. Oh, come on! Ugh. Just like always. Let's eat. Oh no! I'll feed Fluffy at least. Or not. He'll deal with it himself.
No luck for the cat.
Time to get dressed. What's going on?
Stylish.
Oh, come on! What is up with this morning?
Hi, Susie.
Hi, Sammy.
Oh, has something happened?
Can you imagine? My wallet was stolen today.
Oh, how? You must be very upset. Let me cover you with a blanket. And fluff the pillow up and bring you some tea.
Oh, thank you for taking care of me, Sammy. But it wasn't such a big deal. Luckily, there were only some coins.
But it still must be unpleasant. Here, maybe this'll cheer you up. There's some Nutella left. I don't mind sharing it with you.
Oh, thanks. But I'm worried about my new wallet now. What if it gets stolen too? Oh, a disguise!
A disguise!
That's right, a great idea.
But, are you gonna carry the jar around instead of a wallet? It's probably not too convenient and heavy.
Oh, what? No, Sammy, I'm not going to use the jar.
What about the disguise?
I'll disguise a wallet to make it look like a Nutella jar.
Oh, so it'll be an ordinary wallet, but everyone will think it's Nutella?
Yep.
Clever, very clever. It's all thanks to my caring, yes?
Of course, Sammy, it sure is. Hi, guys. Thanks to Sam's care, I've calmed down. And I've had this great idea. Today, we'll be making...
Sue! I fetched it for you.
My sewing kit?
Yes. Well, you are going to sew the wallet.
Oh, no, Sammy, not exactly so.
Oh, then I'll take it back.
Oh, no, wait a minute. I'll need... There, a piece of Velcro. Right. I'll need the Velcro in the very end, but in the beginning, I'll need this and this. I'll outline an image of a Nutella jar on some plastic. Give it thumbs up if you like Nutella. And now I'll cut it out. Remember to be careful with scissors, guys.
Hey, aren't you gonna need some fabric?
Of course.
Oh, like this one?
No, Sammy. I need some felt.
Probably a brown one.
Right! How did you know?
Well, I do know the color of my favorite dessert.
Of course you do. Yes, I'll take the brown felt and outline the plastic piece. Actually, the felt should be a little bit smaller than the plastic piece, like this.
Hey, how are you going to attach the parts if you weren't gonna sew it?
With heat.
Heat? Are you gonna fry it or bake it?
No, but I'll still need some baking paper.
I'll go fetch it. Baking paper! Come here, I can see you! Ha-ha! I can get anything needed. And back to Susie! What would she do without me? Is this the source of your heat?
Yes, but I haven't turned it on yet, so it's cold. Always remember to be careful while working with an iron. Better ask an adult to help. Have you brought the baking paper?
Yep, here!
Thanks! Right. I'll plug the iron in and get everything ready.
Like what?
Like this! Look, we've got one felt part and two plastic parts.
Oh, you're making a plastic and felt sandwich!
Something like that. I'll place some baking paper on top and iron it like this. This is our base. Now I'll make some pockets for our money. First, a small pocket for the coins. And now I need to attach the long pocket to the base.
Sue!
Yes, Sammy?
While you were ironing your future wallet, I took care of the most important thing, the disguise.
Ooh, what did you do?
I've cut out the labels. Otherwise, nobody will believe it.
Thank you! There, the wallet's almost ready. But as Sammy noted, we still need to decorate it to make it look even more like a Nutella jar.
I only give good advice.
You know what, my dear assistant Sam?
What, my dear crafter Susie?
Would you be so kind and cut out pieces of white felt to make the decorative part for the lid?
I'll be so kind. What size?
Well, use the image of the jar as a guide.
Okay.
And I'll stick the labels on. First, I need to protect them with clear tape. That's why I've asked Sam to do a different thing. You know how much he dislikes tape. If you remember why, write in the comments. There, and the second one. And I'll stick the labels on the wallet with double-sided tape.
This is so hard. How does Sue do it so easily? I did it! Quick, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to celebrate my victory! Let's hurry back to Susie. Susie! Here!
Oh, thank you, Sammy. Just in time. We'll make the lids for our jars.
To make sure the Nutella stays inside?
Yeah, something like that. Like this.
Don't you think something is missing?
Do you mean the fastening?
Yes, that's right!
Well, that's not a problem. 1, 2, 3. Done!
Oh, Susie is a real magical crafter.
Thanks, Sammy. Last but not least, let's add some money. And then, time to use it. Now I won't have to worry about my wallet.
Doesn't your genius slime deserve a real Nutella jar as a thank you for the idea?
Sure, I'll go buy a jar of Nutella with my Nutella wallet.
Ow!
Guys, if you like this idea, share this video with your friends. And let's get it to 3,000 thumbs up to make sure our wallets are safe.